Hey followers! Thank you for tuning into our reveal today.
We're approaching the end of November, and here at Lethal Cosmetics that means two things: new products and massive Black Friday discounts. We're going to talk about both today, and we're really excited about it.
We have so much to show you today. Things we've been teasing on our feed, but also things that we've not shown at all. But before we get into all of this, hi, we're Anna and Kai.
We're the founders of Lethal Cosmetics, and if you like this video or makeup in general or just liking things, you know what to do. In October, we launched Breakthrough, our first ever pressed multichrome as part of our Berlin 89 palette, and you folks have been so excited for it. Of course, we never intended to leave it at just one, so on Black Friday, we're coming out with 9 brand new multichrome shadows.
These are 9 unique and brand new shades that fall into 3 categories: iridescent multichromes, light multichromes, and a classic type of multichromes with a deep base.
So let's have a closer look at each shade.
First is Ceres. Ceres has a translucent base and shifts from red to violet to blue and turquoise.
Next is Parallax. It's the second translucent shade, and it shifts from violet, blue, lime green to gold.
I absolutely love this shade, it's so glittery.
It really is. Next we have Genesis. We've already shown glimpses of this one on our Instagram, and you folks just lost it over this shade. It shifts from gray, blue, green, pink to gold.
This is retrograde. It shifts from tan, green, turquoise to violet and red.
Next is Proxima. It shifts from pink, gold, orange to turquoise and purple.
I absolutely love this next one. FRB shifts from tan, gold to lime green, turquoise and blue.
Next, we have Event Horizon. It shifts from olive green, antique gold, bronze to red and purple.
It pretty much combines every fall color in one eyeshadow.
That is so true. Next, we have Nebula. Nebula shifts from navy blue, teal, emerald green to lime green.
And finally, this is Dark Matter. It shifts from black, red, orange to teal.
So, which one is your favorite shade?
I really love Genesis, but I also really love FRB. I can imagine combining FRB very well with a cranberry shade like Cascade.
Ooh, nice.
Can't wait to wear this.
That's amazing.
And what's your favorite?
Ooh, they're also pretty, but I think Dark Matter has my heart. It's just so special and so beautiful.
And here they are all together, our 9 brand new magnetic multichrome shadows.
These will be available as singles. You can add them to your custom palettes via our palette designer, or you can also get all 9 in a bundle.
But just look at them in our orbital 9-pan palette. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's like a match made in heaven.
You have to get this one. Alright, the second product we're going to show you is our brand new lip care set.
Taking good care of your lips is important all year round, but with the weather getting colder and with everybody still wearing masks, it's even more of a challenge. So we've come up with 2 products that we think you're going to love.
A wonderful nourishing lip oil and a gentle exfoliating lip scrub. With the lip oil, I just apply it whenever I feel my lips could use some extra care. That's usually twice a day, and that's really all that you need.
It's super quick to apply, but lasts a really long time, so you don't have to reapply it constantly. It's very balmy, but not too heavy, and just keeps your lips from drying out during the day.
It contains avocado and jojoba oil, which helps moisturize your lips.
The scrub is sugar-based, but we kept the particle size fairly small, so it's a very gentle exfoliation. Plus, it contains shea butter and jojoba oil, so it's not just taking off dead skin cells, but also moisturizes your lips.
Our lip care sets come in these beautiful holographic bags, and they will launch November 26th.
Also launching on Black Friday is our brand new Elixir mixing liquid. This stuff is pure magic.
It turns makeup powders into liquids, so you can take your favorite Lethal shadow, add a drop of Elixir, and it's like a whole new product.
You can use this new product as an eyeliner, a liquid shadow, a liquid lipstick. Plus, Elixir makes everything super long lasting and a lot more smudge resistant.
You can even use Elixir to extend the life of your gel liners. even if they're completely dried out, add a drop of Elixir and they're good as new.
Our Multichrome shadows retail for 17 euros each. Our lip sets sell for 12 euros.
And our Elixir mixing liquid sells for 12 euros.
All of these products launch at midnight on November 26th, along with our biggest Black Friday sale yet.
We're going to have discounts of up to 45%, including our highest discount on custom palettes yet.
And we will have these amazing limited edition mystery bags that contain 70 euros worth of full-size lethal products, including face, lip, and eye products at an offer price of 25 euros.
That's a very good price point.
It's incredible.
And there's even more. Come Black Friday, when you pick up a single blush, bronzer, or highlighter, for just 3 euros, you can add this beautiful cardboard compact to your order.
It is perfect for traveling, and it even has a mirror. And finally, we'll be offering beautifully curated gift sets that come in this stunning holographic gift box that you can, of course, also purchase individually.
Wow, that was a lot.
It really was.
Thanks for sticking around until the end.
We really hope you loved everything we showed you today. We're going to play some more with these Multichrome shadows now, so bye-bye. And as always, stay lethal.